Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Dhondibai Ishwanath, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, KR from Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about aldehydes and ketones of 4th semester BSc Chemistry affiliated to Bangalore and Bangalore North University. In this class, I have to discuss that is the second class of this chapter, aldehydes and ketones 2. In this class, I have to discuss properties of aldehydes, aldol condensation reaction, reaction with mechanism, Perkin condensation reaction, reaction with mechanism, Novengel condensation reaction, reaction with mechanism, benzoin condensation reaction, reaction with mechanism, and last one acetal formation reaction, reaction with mechanism. These I have to discuss one by one in this class. Then first one is aldol condensation reaction. When aldehydes containing alpha hydrogen atom undergo a reversibly self-addition in presence of aqueous solution of base to form aldol, that is a condensation product called aldol, which contains both aldehyde and alcohol functional groups. This is called as a aldol condensation, and the reaction is called as a aldol condensation reaction. For example, when acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation reaction using aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide to form aldol. Now reaction here, the acetaldehyde undergo a aldol condensation, whereas benzaldehyde and formaldehyde do not undergo a aldol condensation reaction because they do not contain a alpha hydrogen atom, and the minimum and sufficient condition for aldol condensation is nothing but the reacting aldehyde must contains a alpha hydrogen atom, then only it undergo a aldol condensation reaction, otherwise it do not undergo a aldol condensation reaction. Therefore here the acetaldehyde contains, that is alpha hydrogen atom, because this is the carbonyl group leaving to this is called as a adjacent to carbonyl group. The carbon atom will be there, adjacent carbon atom, that is called as a alpha carbon atom, and it surrounds, that is a hydrogen atoms, they are called as a alpha hydrogen atoms. Now this undergo a self-addition reaction in presence of sodium hydroxide in aqueous medium to form, that is a 3-hydroxy butanol or beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, or it is also called as a aldol. Now coming to the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. For that I have written, that is a reaction first, acetaldehyde undergo, that is a aldol condensation reaction by using sodium hydroxide in aqueous medium to form, that is a 3-hydroxy butanol, that is a butanol or beta hydroxy butyraldehyde will be a, that is a product, or it is called as a aldol. Now coming to the mechanism. Mechanism of this reaction takes place in 3 steps. First one is formation of carbon ion. When sodium hydroxide ionizes in water medium to form OH minus ion, which is remove the alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde to form acetaldehyde anion. Now here this is the first sodium hydroxide, it ionizes the sodium hydroxide, Na plus and OH minus will form, and this hydroxy group abstract, withdraw the proton from the acetaldehyde and to form, that is a anionic or negatively charged acetaldehyde compound, that is called as a acetaldehyde anion with the removal of water. In second step, the formation of addition product, the attack the acetaldehyde anion, which is formed in step 1 on carbonyl carbon of another molecule of acetaldehyde to form addition product. Here this anion approaches to the another molecule of acetaldehyde, in which the oxygen atom is more electronegative, we drag the electron towards itself, and this anion will be a attack at this carbon atom, positively charged carbon atom, and a bond will be formed. This is called as a addition product. The oxygen as a bears the negative charge. This is the addition product in second step. Third step, formation of aldol. The addition product which is formed in second step, accept the proton from the water to form that is a aldol. This is the negatively charged oxygen atom, which is more reactive. We drag the electrons from the water molecule and to form that is a aldol with liberation of OH group, and OH group combined with that is Na to form that is sodium hydroxide, which is sodium ion will that is formed in step 1. Therefore, this is the beta hydroxy butyraldehyde, or this is the aldol will be a form. This is called as a aldol condensation reaction. Now next come to that is second method, that is Perkin condensation reaction. When aromatic aldehyde is heated with an anhydride of aliphatic acid in presence of sodium salt of same acid. Suppose we take that is a acetic acid, then acetic acid, it should be acetic anhydride, then it should be a sodium acetate is the salt. Therefore we say that is a to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. This reaction is called Perkin's condensation reaction. The example you have to take there, when benzaldehyde is heated with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate at 180 degrees Celsius temperature to form cinnamic acid. This is the example for Perkin's reaction, and benzaldehyde doesn't contain any alpha hydrogen atom. Such reaction undergo a aldol condensation reaction. Now here benzaldehyde, it is the presence of acetic anhydride in sodium acetate to form that is unsaturated, that is alpha beta unsaturated acid will be formed, aromatic acid will be formed, that is cinnamic acid will be formed, and this is called as a Perkin's reaction. Now come to the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism takes place following step. First one is formation of acetic anhydride anion. When sodium acetate ionizes to form sodium acetate ion, which is remove the alpha hydrogen from acetic anhydride to form acetic anhydride anion. Now here simply acetic sodium acetate, it is in water medium, sodium plus and acetate ion will be formed. Acetate ion, it abstract the alpha hydrogen atom from acetic anhydride, similar in that is the second step of aldol condensation reaction. Here simply it abstract the abstract the hydrogen atom from this, and it form that is acetic acid, and these electrons bonding here, and it became a negatively charged acetic anhydride anion will be formed. In second step, the formation of addition product. Attack the acetic anhydride anion, which is formed in step 1 on carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde to form addition product. Therefore, similar to that is aldol, here the negative charge of acetic anhydride ion attack on that is a carbon atom of that is a benzaldehyde in carbonyl carbon atom, and it form that is a addition product. Addition product with liberation of that is a negatively charged oxygen atom on this product. And third step is formation of aldol. Addition product accept the proton from acetic acid, which is generated in step 1 to form that is a aldol. Therefore we say that is a this is the acetic acid, it is formed in step 1. We donate the proton and this addition product which is formed in step 2, it flow the electrons towards the proton liberated from the acetic acid and to form a hydroxy group, that is a functional group, and a total compound will be a that is a aldol like compound will be, or aldol compound will be formed in step that is a 3. Next, fourth step, the formation of unsaturated intermediate product. Aldol undergo, that is aldol which is formed in step 3 undergo internal rearrangement by elimination of water to form unsaturated intermediate product. Now here this is the takes the electrons away from this and this is the alpha hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom, it shift the electrons towards this itself, and here this OH minus and this CH plus combine to form that is a water molecule with the liberation of water molecule, and the unsaturated group, that is carbon carbon double bond, will be formed in a product, that is a unsaturated intermediate product will be formed. In fifth step, the formation of cinnamic acid. Unsaturated intermediate product undergo a hydrolysis to form cinnamic acid and acetic acid as a final product. Now here this is this is the unsaturated intermediate, this is the unstable, this is on hydrolysis. Yes, this is just like a ester hydrolysis. No, here this oxygen atom is more electronegative, it drag the electrons towards itself, it became a negative, and this OH this became a positive, therefore OH group will be attack here, OH group will be attack here, and therefore it became a, it is highly unstable, and this electron will be shifted here towards here, and because of this is the more unstable, this takes the bonding electrons towards itself. This is the acetate ion which is combined with the hydrogen atom present in water, and it form that is a acetic acid, and this compound will be a simply that is a cinnamic acid. Otherwise we say that is a, this OH group will be attack here, and this is the, this bond will be formed, this is the negative and this is the positive, and this OH group will be attack here, and H group will be attack here, the acetic acid, and the cinnamic acid will be form this, and this is the final product, and this is called as a Perkins condensation reaction. Now next, third reaction is nothing but Nowengel condensation reaction. Nowengel condensation reaction, which is when aromatic aldehydes undergo a condensation with compounds containing active methylene group. This is the very important. Here there, this is the aromatic aldehydes undergo a condensation reaction with compound containing active methylene groups like ethyl acetoacetate, diethyl malonate, which are I have already explained in tautomerism and enolate in that is previous class. In presence of an organic base like a pyridine to form alpha beta unsaturated esters, which is on hydrolysis and heating give respective alpha beta unsaturated acid. This reaction is called as a Nowengel condensation reaction. For example, when benzaldehyde is treated with diethyl malonate as a active methylene compound in presence of pyridine to form cinnamic acid. Now here this benzaldehyde react with diethyl malonate, because diethyl malonate, this is the methylene active group will be there, and this is the methylene hydrogen atom group is more acidic, it donates the hydrogen atom. Therefore here this hydrogen here these two both electrons both hydrogen atoms goes away, and this is the water molecule will be liberated and with in presence of the pyridine. Therefore unsaturated, that is ester will be formed. This is on hydrolysis to form that is acid, unsaturated acids, which is on controlled heating, because only one, that is the acid group undergo a decarbonization with protection of another, that is a COH group. Therefore on controlled heating it form that is a cinnamic acid with liberation of carbon dioxide gas. This is the example. Now coming to that is a mechanism. The mechanism of Nowengel condensation reaction takes place in following step. First step, formation of diethyl malonate anion. Now here pyridine removes the alpha hydrogen atom from diethyl malonate to form diethyl malonate anion. Because I have already told the diethyl malonate in which the methylene group is the more active, and it is proton will be a, that is a alpha, that is a, that this alpha hydrogen atom is a more acidic in nature. Therefore, when pyridine is a base, when electrons flow towards that is a hydrogen atom, and this electron will be shipped here, and this is the pyridinium ion will be formed with liberation of that is a diethyl melanate anion. Then second step, the formation of addition product. Attack the diethyl melanate anion which is formed in step 1 on carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde to form that is a addition product. Similar to that is a Perkins and aldol condensation reaction. This anion group will be attack on that is a carbonyl carbon atom of other molecule. Here benzaldehyde is the other molecule, and therefore this oxygen atom is a more electronegative. It drag the electron towards itself. It became a negative, and carbon atom became a positive. These electrons flow towards the positively carbon atom, and a bond will be formed. Therefore, the oxygen negatively charged oxygen containing compound, that is a addition product, will be formed in the second step. Third step, the formation of aldol like compound. This addition product accepts the proton from the pyridinium, that is a ion, which is generated in step 1 to form that is a aldol like compound. Now here this is the negatively charged ion which abstract the proton from the pyridinium ion, and it form that is a OH group, and this is the takes away, and it is pyridine neutral molecule will be a form liberation, and this is the aldol like compound will be a form. This is the OH group, and these are the acetate, that is a group group will be there, that is called as a ketone group or aldehyde group. Therefore it is called as a aldol like compound will be formed. In fourth step, formation of unsaturated intermediate product. Aldol like compound undergo a internal rearrangement by elimination of water to form unsaturated intermediate product. Now here this is again this is the because of it is a active methylene compound, active carbon group. This hydrogen atom is more acidic. This remove the proton, and these electrons will be shifted here. Due to make that is a tetravalency of this carbon atom, we drag the electrons towards itself. It became a negatively charged. On this negatively charged ion and H plus ion combined to form that is water, and rearrangement will be takes place with elimination of water, that is a unsaturated intermediate product will be formed. In fifth step, formation of unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Unsaturated intermediate product undergo acid hydrolysis because any ester on hydrolysis to form ethanol and that is a carboxylic acid. Therefore, it unsaturated intermediate product undergo a acid hydrolysis to form unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Therefore, this undergo a hydrolysis. This molecule undergo a water, 2 molecules of the ethanol will be formed with unsaturated dicarboxylic acid will be formed. And the sixth step, formation of final, that is a cinnamic acid. Unsaturated dicarboxylic acid undergo a decarboxylation reaction by heating to form cinnamic acid. It is a controlled heating because 2 molecules of the carboxylic acids will be grouped there, but we require only 1 carbon dioxide will be undergo a decarboxylation takes place, and with unaffected on another carboxylic group. Therefore, this is on heating, it remove the carbon dioxide gas, and this bond will be formed, that is here, and therefore cinnamic acid will be formed. This is about that is a Knoevenagel condensation reaction. Now coming to that is a fourth reaction is a benzoin condensation reaction, in which when benzaldehyde is heated with aqueous ethanolic solution of sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide, it dimerizes to form alpha hydroxy ketone called benzoin. This reaction is called benzoin condensation reaction. Here 2 molecules of the benzaldehyde treated with that is a aqueous alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide on hot condition. This molecule undergo a dimerization to form that is a benzoin. This reaction is called as a benzoin condensation reaction. Now mechanism of benzoin condensation reaction takes place in following step. First one is formation of carbon ion. Carbon ion. When KCN ionizes to form, that is a Cn minus ion, which is attack on the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde to form, that is a compound which is undergo rearrangement to form the carbon ion. Here simply KCN or NaCN in sodium hydroxide, in alcohol in water medium to form K plus and Cn minus. This Cn attack on, that is a carbonyl carbon atom of benzaldehyde to form this compound, and this hydrogen atom is more acidic because cyanide group is also a electron withdrawing group, and this benzene group is a phenyl group, also a electron withdrawing group. Therefore this proton will be this hydrogen will be removed as easily as a proton. Therefore these after removing this H combined here, and these electrons will be shifted here. This is the negatively carbon atom, that is a carbon ion. Negatively charged carbon atom in a that is a benzaldehyde is called, that is a carbon ion will be a product. That is in the second, that is in the first step of benzoin condensation reaction. In second step, formation of addition product. Attack the carbon ion which is formed in step 1 on carbonyl carbon of another molecule of benzaldehyde to form addition product. Therefore this is similar to, that is a previous mechanisms. This is negatively charged will be attack on the other molecule of the carbonyl carbon atom and to form, that is a addition product. This is the carbon anion. It react with the benzaldehyde to form, that is a addition product. And third step, formation of intermediate product. Another addition product undergo a rearrangement by transferring the proton to that is transferring the proton to transferring the proton to other and to form a intermediate product. Another intermediate product will be a form. Here this is the this proton will be a takes this and the negative charge abstract, that is a proton from here, and it became a negative, and this is the rearrangement. Simply rearrangement will be takes place due to having a here cyanide group will be there actually. Therefore actually we take, that is a this is cyanide group due to presence of electron with the drying group, the resonating is takes place. These ions takes the electrons from this proton and to form intermediate product rearrangement. And fourth step, the formation of benzoin. The intermediate product undergo a internal rearrangement by losing of cyanide anion to form, that is a final benzoin product. This is the because of cyanide ion is a more electronegative. This negative ions form the negative charged oxygen anion, which is form the electrons towards the bonding electrons, and these electrons takes away from this and form, that is cyanide, and where the K already there in the step 1, the K plus cyanide, K plus and cyanide minus combined to form, that is a KCN as a starting material, and this will be a flow, and this is called as a benzoin product will be a form in the final step. This is about, that is a benzoin condensation reaction. And last, that is a mechanism is nothing but acetal formation reaction. When carbonyl groups of aldehyde is treated with alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride or hydrogen chloride gas to form adduct called hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. What is mean by hemiacetal? Means when carbonyl group of aldehyde is react with alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride gas to form adduct called hemiacetal. This hemiacetal is unstable compound which immediately reacts with another one more molecules of alcohol, forming a stable compound called acetal. Hemiacetal, first it form as hemiacetal, then acetal form. This reaction is called as a acetal formation reaction. Therefore, simply we say that is a aldehyde, any aldehyde which treated with alcohol to form, that is the first one is in dry sodium, that is dry hydrochlorine hydrogen chloride gas to form, because one OH that is a negative charge will be there, and this alkoxide, because it is acidic in nature, this alkoxide ion will be attack here, this H will be a attack at here. Therefore, this is the hemiacetyl. This the alcohol is acidic in nature, it liberate the H plus and alkoxide ion, and negative, it will be a negative ion, and H plus will be takes place and OH will be takes place. This is the hemiacetal, because one more hydrogen will be a, there is a there hemiacetal. This is the unstable. Then again this hemiacetal react with one more, that is a alcohol group in hydrogen gas. Now here again here alkoxide will be formed, and to form or to this hydrogen atom undergo a liberation, and to form, that is a here, that is a acetal. Acetal will be formed with liberation of water in presence of dry hydrochloric hydrogen chloride gas. Therefore, hemiacetal is converted into acetal formation. Now example, when acetaldehyde react with ethyl alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride gas to form adducts called hemiacetals. This hemiacetal is unstable, which is immediately react with another molecule of ethyl alcohol to form, that is a acetal, that is a acetal, to form, that is a acetal. Now here acetaldehyde react with ethyl alcohol in presence of dry hydrochloric acid in presence followed by water to form, that is a acetaldehyde ethyl hemiacetal will be formed. Then this acetaldehyde ethyl hemiacetal, this is unstable, react with another molecule of ethyl alcohol to form, that is acetaldehyde diethyl acetal will be formed with the liberation of, that is water. Now coming to, that is a mechanism. Mechanism of acetal formation reaction takes place following steps. First step, formation of hemiacetal. The alcohol, that is a R1OH ionizes to form, that is a alkoxide R1O minus ion, which is attack on the carbonyl carbon atom of aldehyde to form the compound which is undergoing addition to the product and to form the hemiacetal. Therefore, this is undergoing in hydrochloric acid gas, it form, that is alkoxide H plus ion, and this alkoxide ion attack on the that is a carbonyl carbon atom of aldehyde, that is similar to above mechanism, and this is the negatively charged form, this product will be formed, and this is again takes the proton present in the reaction and to form, that is a hemiacetal. The second step, the formation of carbocation, addition of proton to the hemiacetal to form unstable compound which is loses water molecules to form, that is a carbocation. Therefore, here due to the presence of this is the oxygen atom and this is the hydrogen atom, it contains a lone pair of electrons. It takes the, in presence of a strong hydrochloric acid gas, the H plus, these electrons, lone pair of electrons participate in the bond formation with proton, and to form this unstable compound will be formed, and this is immediately take the electrons towards itself, and it decompose, and carbocation will form with liberation of water. That is the carbocation will be formed in the second step. In third step, the formation of acetal, addition of another, that is the alkoxide ion to form the carbocation from the acetal. Therefore, this carbocation react with, that is the alkoxide ion and to form, that is a acetal. A acetal will be formed, and this is called as a that is a acetal formation mechanism, and this complete, that is a second class of aldehydes and ketones.